So now we have this Lorentz term, and we write everything in terms of matrices and Hamiltonian trace. Okay, and now so here again, similar to Euclidean term, we are not actually quantizing this guy, but we are actually quantizing. We are quantizing this guy multiply a sign factor. Quantizing this guy CL x multiply sign determinant E. Okay, so this guy. So when your frame, when you densitize the frame corresponds to right-handed frame, it equals 1. In case of left-handed frame, it is -1. Okay, so similar to Euclidean term, we are quantizing this. Which means that this sign factor will be just the overall constant, overall sign factor for the entire Hamiltonian constraint. Okay, so which means our quantization is very much consistent. So for both Euclidean term and Lorentz term, we add this sign factor. So it's become uniform sign factor of the Hamiltonian constraint. All right.